Imagine a 3-node setup with middle node as regenerator node. There's fiber cut occurs on node B OTU2EP1 port. Loss of signal alarm will report on node B network port OTU2EP1 port. Due to this, node BP2 port will insert ODUAIS in downstream and node BP1 will insert BDI in upstream. Node C OTU2EP1 port will report ODUAIS alarm. Due to this, node CP1 will insert BDI in upstream. 10G client port, P2, of node C will have remote fault and ODUAIS alarm. Ethernet tester TS2 will have link down and local fault alarm on PCS layer. Node A OTU2EP2 port will report the OTU2E BDI alarm. Ethernet tester TS1 will have remote fault alarm. Node A 10G client port will have ODU BDI alarm. Follow channel to get more educational videos like this.